Hey guys, so I'm super excited. Teacher Megan here with megsteachingjourney.org, coming to you today with a special video. So with all this talk of VIPKID remodeling classrooms, I got inspired to completely remodel my own classroom. So I'm super pumped, but I wanted to let you guys see what I did. So I have a before photo of what my classroom looked like before, so I'll show you that. And then I have a blank slate, so that looks like this. So now I'm really excited. So my sister, she is a marvelous painter, and she also has a charity that she started, and it's called Makeover. But it's amazing, and I'll put a link in the description box down below so you can check out all of her amazing things that she does. She goes and she recreates kids spaces in churches and orphanages. Like, she's amazing. But so she actually helped me remodel and come up with a new design for my classroom. And so she came over, and it took like 2 days. So we worked about 4 hours each day, and we're currently in quarantine. So we had some extra free time as most of us do right now. So we totally just revamped my classroom, and I absolutely love it. And I'm super excited to show it to you. So let's go have a look. Okay. Oh, guys, don't you just love this? We just moved into this house, and we haven't taken that off. Okay, so here is my office, and we are going to take a look. Oh, but wait, maybe we should have a recap video first, and you guys can see the marvelous work that we did. Yeah, watch this. Ready for the big reveal. Da, 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 da. I absolutely love it. There's a couple of things that I do want to change, but that'll just come with time. But so here it is. I absolutely love it. And so here's where I teach from. And so my students see something kind of like this behind me when I'm teaching. And I absolutely love everything about it. I'm super thrilled with how everything turned out. Some ideas, I do want to change my fabric here. So I did put fabric around the desk because the back of the desk is open, and seeing cords and things drives me crazy. So I put fabric up, but I want to get a solid color, maybe one of the colors that are on the wall. And then I do need your all's help. So you can see what I sit on when I teach. So I would love to hear of your favorite chair that you love teaching in. Right now, mine is called a ottoman from a yard sale. So yeah, I'm in the market for a new chair, but I just love my new wall so much. And if this wall looks familiar to any of you, please comment below because it is themed after something that already exists. So I would love to hear if you know where the inspiration for this wall came from. But guys, I just love my new classroom so much. The next day that I taught, I was super pumped. So things like this can just really just change the dynamic of your classroom and the excitement that you have when you're teaching. So my students noticed it right off the bat and they loved it. So I hope you guys liked it too. I do want to hear from you. So I want to hear your thoughts, what you think. So please comment below. And if you haven't already, go on ahead and subscribe to my channel. I put out weekly content and it's for new teachers, current teachers, potential teachers. So go on ahead and subscribe and I will be forever grateful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.